We say hi to everybody, hi, back with a resource one more time, so you know, 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 so you know. It's the intro to the law. Mark K with K Mark Law. All we do is law. Oh, greet. Nah, I'm playing. It's your favorite neighborhood lawyer, Markwell Cade with Cade Mark Law, back with another resource for you. I have a lot of clients that are also business owners. So today, I thought we'd talk about 6 tips to protect your business from common legal issues. Tip number 1 for all my business owners in order to protect their business from common legal issues: separate yourself from your business. Many small business owners run their businesses as sole proprietors, and other business owners run their business as an LLC, even though they may be the only member of the LLC they formed. However, it can get problematic if the business gets sued, because when you don't separate yourself from your business, your own personal assets as the owner can be targeted. Things like your home, things like your car, things like your possessions. One way to curtail the possibility of facing legal issues is by forming a trust for the business. A trust is a legal entity that in most cases files its own tax returns and owns company property. This helps you separate the business from yourself, so that if the business gets sued, any property that has been established as a part of the trust, they can't be targeted, they can't be taken. In a nutshell, separating yourself from your business will help you avoid a lot of common legal issues that business owners face. Tip number 2, keep proper records. So many business owners that I work with don't keep proper records. Whether you're planning to have investors or sell your business or what have you, having proper records in place is important. Moreover, these records help potential investors. They help buyers who may want to buy your business or license your intellectual property understand everything about the business, such as the stake that they're buying or the debt that could be accrued by the company. Corporate records for small businesses also reduce the event of lawsuits and litigation, since all the finances are cleanly defined and noted. All the records are there, all the documents are there, contracts are there. These documents are often used later as evidence in the event of a dispute. So you want to make sure you have records. They will protect your business. Tip number 3 seems pretty obvious, but a lot of business owners don't follow it. Use written agreements. Contracts and written agreements are sometimes required by law, but in other cases, they protect your business from potential lawsuits. From everything from hiring employees to buying from a vendor, every business activity that your business conducts likely needs a proper contract or agreement in place in order to protect your rights. The business agreement can be prepared by a lawyer or your staff or yourself as the business owner, but whatever the case, make sure you have contracts and written agreements. Tip number 4, get all the licenses and mandatory permits that are required to run your business. Not having the required licensing or the required permits that you need can have your business be vulnerable to legal issues. For example, if your business offers haircutting services, you must have a barbershop license, or else authorities or customers can file a lawsuit against you. Filing for mandatory licensing and permits is sometimes overlooked by some business owners. Sometimes they don't know they need one. Check with the lawyer in your area to make sure that you're following the requirements set for your business. Tip number 5 hits home for me as an intellectual property lawyer. A lot of times, businesses don't register their intellectual property. Thus, tip number 5, register your intellectual property. Registering intellectual property is essential for protecting your business's probably most valuable assets. If your intellectual property is not registered, employees can share it or they can sell it. They can sell unique product ideas. They can sell your unique brand names, and this can damage your business. It can also lead to business litigation, which ultimately hurts your company and your bottom line. By registering your copyrights and your trademarks, you can clarify your ownership of intellectual property. Tip number 6, get a lawyer. A lot of times businesses think that they don't need a lawyer, but the odds are if you're forming, running, or owning a business, you're gonna need a lawyer at some point for some aspect of your business. This means you shouldn't shirk on the responsibility to seek a business attorney. Seek a lawyer that can help you with your business. Seek a lawyer who's helped businesses like yours in the past, or a lawyer you like working with. We recommend seeking a lawyer when you run a business because there's a lot of things that you don't consider as a business owner that your lawyer can make you aware of. They can provide a lot of the things you need in these other tips, for instance. That's all, folks. Thank you so much for joining us today. This has been 6 tips to protect your business from common legal issues as a business owner. Once again, I am Marquel Cade with Cade Mark Law, your favorite neighborhood lawyers. Protect your brand, grow your business. Stay frosty, my friends. We'll see you next time. We hope this was helpful.